I didn't really like the name Kendall until I turned like 16, and then I realized it was very unique and I liked how unique it was. I had a ton of nicknames growing up. My nicknames were Kenny, Killa, Kenya, Ken, Kendo. Yeah. I was like 10 when I started thinking models were the coolest people in the world. My favorite model when I was 10 was Giselle. I didn't really know what I was talking about, and I think it's the only name I knew. I was always interested. I would definitely like practice a walk that was very bad. I would like dress up. I was a tomboy for a couple years, so those years I think I was more into sports and being a tomboy, and then once I came out of that, I was like secretly doing walks in my room and stuff. My first big break was the Marc Jacobs show. I didn't think anyone would like me. I went back like, I think I wasn't nervous because I was wearing flats. I was like, I can't fall. There's no way I can fall. And then my tits were out. I don't know why I wasn't nervous about that. I was really excited about my tits being out, actually. I'm weird. I love my tits being out. It's like one of my things, I guess. I'm young.
Yeah,
when I'm older, I want to be able to look at it and be like, I looked good. I think I was raised to be a workaholic. 10 months out of the year, I'm working almost every day. I've been working since I was 10 years old, so. I was on a reality TV show, which you could consider a job, but it's working with my family every single day, so I'm very lucky to call it a job. My little sister and I are baby bosses. We are like, basically are on our way to rule the world. So you can expect that. So, like my first real kiss, you're gonna think this sounds really crazy, but it's not as crazy as it sounds. It was in a shower. We were fully clothed, and the shower wasn't on. It wasn't like that. We were playing Truth or Dare, me and 3 of my friends, and my little sister was trying to spy on us. Like, my room didn't have a lock on it, but the bathroom door did, so we all shoved in the bathroom until, like, when we got dared to kiss someone, we would have to go in the shower and, like, close the curtain so no one would see, and we'd kiss and come out. So it was in a shower, but it wasn't as, like, naughty as it sounds. Angelina Jolie is definitely my girl crush. I love Angelina Jolie in Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Who else did I have a crush on? Who was the pop? Oh, Justin Bieber was like the pop star of my time. I feel like I must have had like a 12-year-old crush on him. I didn't have famous people on my wall. I was obsessed with animals. I still am. Like, I'm a nerd. I'm not like cool like that. I barely know half the celebrities' names now. In a past life, I think I was an animal.
What
I was either a horse or a dog. Either a Great Dane or a Lab. Because Great Danes are like, they have long legs and they're big, and I'm big and I have long legs and they're awkward. I had a Great Dane puppy and she was the most awkward thing ever. And she would just like fall all the time, and it reminded me of me. I can do this with my thumb. That's not that crazy. And then I can make bird noises. Yeah, I was out in the wild spending like a week with birds.
Really?
No. My dad was trying to teach me how to whistle once when we were driving to school, and I couldn't do it, and that's what happened. I don't think this is a superstition, but I say a little prayer before I walk, before I take off in a plane, and every night. I was raised to kind of do that. Makes me feel better. So I guess that's a superstition.
Yeah.
Ish.